marriage is marriage register koribo pare. There are some vintage acts which has come into our notice. We are repealing those acts soon, so that police once we arrest somebody, they do not get bail. So dui ekhon ami enekwa purona vintage act ami paisu. Plus the whether in a Muslim society child marriage is allowed, not allowed, all these questions, legal question keeps on coming. So ami jetia Ohomot ami ekhon act ami khub sonkale ami pass koram jot multiple marriage will be stopped by either of the community. Marriage age will be legally fixed for all the communities. There will be more legislative steps will be taken. But POCSO is a case which doesn't deal only with the child marriage. POCSO apply equally to every people, every citizen, every belongs to every religion. So whenever child marriage comes into our notice, we have to launch prosecution under POCSO. Normal underage marriage or prohibition of marriage act of Nahoy, we have to go under the POCSO because POCSO is a secular act, doesn't deal with any religion. So we have to go up at registering our case again in POCSO, and we have to take another round of effective measures against this particular incident in the month of September. My SB headquarters, our SB officer, log pound koisu. Adiyo moi repeat koisu. They all SP must ready so that we can register case, and we go for another big arrest. Eta disturbing element arombo hoise jitu Assam police bikhekoi Karimganjot some action is being taken. Hetu hol infiltration. Ohomot amar Bangladeshi infiltration was almost zero in last several years. Now Assam is being used as a corridor. Ohomot nahe, but Rohingya hokol mainland Delhi juar karne, Kashmir juar karne, Ohomot eta corridor hisabe use korar kam arombo hoise. So all our investigation has revealed that Tripura Kisuman broker they facilitate this inflation. So Amar a khetrot already DGP has taken some step, STF has been given some job, but moi bhabu je Borakguli police force we need to remain active, and we should not confine ourselves by deporting the identified Rohingya. We should actually go to Tripura, we should arrest the brokers, and we have to break the backbone of this syndicate. This is a new emerging crime which is happening. Aru moi bhabu je police must act. Aru amar baki jiman the road which they are using the railroad. Duta tinta kamot rail is being used. Eta hoise bahiror pora amar bahut bilak Ohomor pora supari bahiror Barmi supari pothai diar khetrot bahiror pora non-paid GST non-paid gutka Ohomor kumuar khetrot gutka mane jibilak amar all these Rajaniganha and other kind of jiman bilak brand ase tulsi ei bilak teoloke ya tax incident is very high. That is why teoloke non-paid material, non-GST paid material they bring through railway. So railway police has to be very they must play a very significant role, because maximum Rohingya relative nai. Basedi jabor kare teoloke diktar pai. Kintu these we need to see that jiman bilak Borak Valley pra amar Dhuburi Kokrajhar leke jiman bur rail station ase tat amar intelligence badhibo lage, economic crime dharar karneo aru Rohingya inflation dharar karneo we must take decisive action. Aru duta tinta kotha moi apnalokor disti akorshon koribo khojisu. Hetu hoise DGP has briefly mentioned about the road traffic accident. Road traffic accident or alarming increase. This is very, very dangerous. Lot of young life. In a very young age they died. Amar Hammukha 20 road traffic accident case in from a district. ICU bed kiman thake, 6খন thake, 7খন thake. Our road traffic accident or adikali aru eta dangor incident moi dekhi asu je brain dead hoi jay. Physically alive, mentally they are dying. Horot bahut dangor samosyar pisor srishti hoy aru ghoror family to kane it's become a big burden. So ami DC সকলৰ লগতো কাম কৰি আছো, PW ডিপাৰ্টমেন্টৰ লগতো কাম কৰি আছো, NHৰ লগতো কাম কৰি আছো, but the maximum cause of the road traffic accident is drunken driving. We do not review, but so সকলো district police traffic violation or ক্ষেত্ৰত fine impose কৰা. And finally, fine is deterrent to an extent. Kinto next, ami driving license cancel kora. It is very, very important. So, amar সকলো district police road traffic accident case of fine and cancellation of driving license. DC সকলৰ লগত প্ৰত্যেক মাহত কথা পাতি both civil and police administration must work together. Jate ami road traffic accident case ami minimize koribo paru, hetu amar kane khub important. In regard to economic crime, again ami 2-3 ta point ami note koribo lage je amar neighboring state or pora Ohomot liquor push kora. This is moi karo naam lobo khuda nai kono state or pora, but this is a tendency. Kuno state machinery nokore businessmen bilake kore, they push liquor because of variation of excise rates. Tealuke Ohomot ba Ohomor thodi Nagaland Manipur loike tealuke liquor pothai, but mostly Nagaland Manipur practice prohibition, so they send illegal liquors to the Nagaland and Manipur, which is not allowed by law. So amar GK Khon state district police neighboring state or logot border share kore, teoluk khub beshi careful hobo lage je again Assam do not become a trade road for illegal liquor. Karon ami amar state khonot illegal liquor khetrot ami ব্যবহার কৰিবৰ কাৰণে আমি দিব নোৱাৰো, সেই কথাটো আমি খুব বেছি সচেষ্ট হ'ব লাগে। আৰু সেই ক্ষেত্ৰত আমাৰ ডিস্ট্ৰিক্ট পুলিচ সকলে SP সকলে they should lead from front, আৰু এই কামটোৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি বহুতখিনি গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ ভূমিকা ল'ব লাগে। 2-3টা ইকোনমিক ক্ৰাইম অসমত কমিছে, কিন্তু শেষ হৈ যোৱা নাই। স্মাগলিং অফ ফাৰ্টিলাইজাৰ টু মাইনমাৰ, অসমত আমি subsidized, India's subsidized fertilizer should not be smuggled out from our state. So এই কথাটোত আমি দেখিছো যে আমি কৰিবলগীয়া আৰু বহুতখিনি কাম আছে, এই ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি কৰিব লাগে। হাইলাকান্দি বা বৰাক ভেলী ট্ৰাকেদি বাৰ্মি সুপাৰি আনিব নোৱাৰা কাৰণে 200খন 300খন চাইকেল ডেপ্লয় কৰি, স্কুটাৰ ডেপ্লয় কৰি the new models of crimes has been adopted. Janeke supari to ami mainland or pothabo paru. Aru gutte rasta tu kono SP DSP e gom na pai, horu jibila police officer papa tai vehicle kam kore. Teolukor logot pollution ami not in large quantity, small quantity barmi supari amar ahi ase, jitu ami stop koribo lage. যিটো আগতে ট্ৰাকে গৈছিল, that has stopped. আজিকালি ট্ৰাকে যাব নোৱাৰে, বা গলেও আমি কৰবাত নহয় কৰবাত পাই যাওঁ। But now they are dividing the material of one truck into several bags. Now, এখন গাড়ী পিছফালে বেক্স পঠিয়াই দিলে cottage industry type হৈ গল. It was earlier a medium scale industry, now it has become a cottage industry. So our police need to effectively combat these two economic crimes also. যে আমি লিকাৰ বাহিৰৰ পৰা হাতটো বন্ধ কৰিব লাগে, ফাৰ্টিলাইজাৰ মাইনমাৰলৈকে যোৱাটো বন্ধ কৰিব লাগে, আৰু সেকেন্ডলি আমাৰ সুপাৰি অসমত সোমোৱাটো আমি কমপ্লিটলি বেন কৰিব লাগে. Again, Assam police should be complimented for two count that our activity against corruption of public servant has increased like anything. I would like to compliment GP Singh, who was director of BIO earlier, and now Surendra Kumar, that things are happening in a very, very positive way. I mean, more than 100 public servants has been arrested. Aru, while taking bribe, trap, khub hal kori soli ase. Aru, moi bhabu je we must continue this for next 3 years. Karon manuhor monot register hote somoy lage. So we must continue work on this. Aru tar eta high publicized value thakibo lage. And now also we must start appealing to the family members of public servant. Lora Swalik ami request koribo lage, please ask your father if some more money is coming, where from this money has come. So the police must start some psychological war against also, that jodi ejon deutake officer ba 2 lakh toka ghorat loi ahe, tea lora swaliye jodi proshno kore je baba ei toka to korba anila aru kali porokhi you will be arrested, you will be trapped. So some video, some audio, some televised documentary on the basis of factually convicted case jot ama kono legally dhoribo nware, ami kisuman aru video adi banabo lage, so that it appeal to the inner conscience of the people. Just look, police is very strict. Adi jodi moi 1 lakh toka ghorot loi aisu, kali moi 2 lakh toka loi aisu, I also run the risk of getting arrested. Aru kono lora swaliye nibisare je nijor deukak makor ei position to hob. So ami from physical war, psychological war we should also start, so that ami public servant jitu menace of corruption jitu asile tak jate ami aru substantially komabo paru. Definitely the quality of investigation has improved. Moi article jetia dui eta khobor lo tetia dekhu je khub unkale search sheet korar eta amar jitu probonota etu amar badhise. FIR is converted, is being getting converted to search sheet, and search sheet ok ami conviction loike loi jabo paribo laibo, karon after all আমি এটু বুঝিব লাগিব যে we have to stop crimes again with the force of law. Ultimately আমি lawৰ ফালে lawৰ থদিহে আমি crime বন্ধ কৰিব লাগিব. যদি মানুহে conviction পায় আৰু যেতিয়া কলনি এটা গম পাই যায় যে he was arrested, now he has been convicted, ই এটা বহুত ডাঙৰ ডিটাৰেন্টৰ কাম কৰে. মই আমাৰ গোৱালপাৰা পুলিশ, গোলাঘাট পুলিশ, সিটি পুলিশ, মই গুটে সকলক কম যে যিকেটা সেনসেশনাল কেছত আমি ব্রেক থ্ৰু কৰিছো, সেই সেনসেশনাল কেছ কেটা যাতে search sheet on time, etu to search sheet nohoa on time, it will not be excused at any point of time jodi ami 3 mahot dibo noaru, but 3 mahot search sheet ba 2 mahot search sheet whatever as per CRPC is required, 3 মাহ আৰু 2 মাহত search sheet দিয়াৰ পিছত আমি যাতে গভৰ্ণমেণ্টক চিঠি লিখি we get a special advocate, আৰু আমি তেওঁলোকক কেতিয়াবা পেমেন্ট যদি আমি গভৰ্ণমেণ্টৰ বা নাহেও আমি হেডকোৱাৰ্টাৰ কৈ পেলাই আদাৰৱাইজ পেমেন্ট দি হলেও আমি কন্টিজেন্সি ফান্ড থাকিব, এসএস ফান্ড থাকিব, আমি we have to keep the show on. আমি কত ৰখি যাব নোৱাৰো because of sir etu নাহিলে sir উকিলা দি এবছৰ টকা পোৱা নাই. In government many things are happen, kan apunar mundore public servant is sitting all are not efficient equally, but we have to find out shortcuts jate amar kuno karonote we do not unintentionally compromise with the quality of the crime. So, hey district khonor jimanbur sensational case thake hokolute jot paru ami special court jot paru special public prosecutor aru 3 mahot ba 2 mahot charge sheet diatu it should be a matter of norms. Jetiar pa amar Guwahati additional SP crime or logot amar monthly conference arambho hoise, it is showing positive result. And moi hokolu SP ke onurodh korim je please encourage your additional SP crimes to take the monthly crime meeting very seriously. Jetia teoloke DGP pra crime conference or pra ghuri jay, you must take another review in that district. Immediately you should call the OCs. Aru kinu amak notun kotha kole, but what is the position of our district? That should be immediately informed to our next subordinates. The bakiya jate crime conference is not confined to that additional SP. This percolate down to every area. Aru every officers IO hokolorike jate percolate hobo pare, সেই কথাটো আমাৰ লাহে লাহে চাব লাগে। মই এটা সৰু ইনোভেটিভ কথা কব খুজিছো বাট উইল কনসাল্ট ল। এতিয়া আমাৰ পুলিশ কনস্টেবলাৰী বহুত ভাল humaise with very high degree. Can we train them for investigation of crimes? Later on we will find a way how CRPC can empower them to take up independent cases. They are constable, but we can designate them with the SI power. You will be a notional SI for that. We will discuss the law for at least they can be a good hand to the SI. So, district, if we go through the qualifications of our new recruit, high qualified Lora Swali Amar Humaise, crime investigation Amar quality of crime investigation gets increased. Case diary so it will actually address the quality, and later on we will discuss that how we can empower them on law. But identifying good constables is very important. He kothato amar sonkale arambho koribo lage. Eta horu kotha moi SP hokolok kobo khujisu je 1 October pra will not use manual diary. All GD entry will be registered in CCTS. So this is an instruction. October we are discontinuing all manual GD entry because that is a source of manipulation, corruption at later point of time in certain cases. So CCTNS amar register hobo lagibo aru kunu case ami manual GD entry nolo. I think DGP will issue suitable guidelines, and if there is any guideline required from Home Department, it can also be done. Coming back to militancy, আমি সকলোৱে জানো যে অসম পুলিচৰ এটা বৃহত্তম সফলতা হৈছে যে our fight against militants, the enemy of the nation. আৰু এই ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি বহুতখিনি সফল হ'ব পাৰিছো, and today we can feel and we can speak very confidently that at least last 2-3 years Assam is living in peace and tranquility. And going by the confidence of our police forces, we can further say that there is no element that who will be able to destroy our hard-earned peace and tranquility. I must compliment Assam police that jetia Bodoland aru Karbi Alam notun militant organization e murdani uthibor karone chesta korise. We have able to caught them in very initial stage aru ami tak neutralize korisu. Iman besi former militant eti amar system ase. We are trying for their rehabilitation. We are taking utmost care and SBৰ ফালৰ পৰা যথেষ্ট চেষ্টা চলাই থকা হৈছে, and we are also releasing fund liberating. But out of 100 boys, 10 boys may be black sheep, and because of their connection, because they must have stayed in Myanmar for longer, they knows the militant of other organization, or they may be inclined to criminal activity. So, আমি তেওঁলোকৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত এটা নজৰ আমি নিৰন্তৰ ৰাখিব লাগে, তেওঁলোক যাতে বেয়া হাতত পৰি নাযায়। So, Karbi Anglong Police of Bodhar District, BTAD SPs, this is your additional jobs to see that our boys do not get diverted to a wrong path again. This must be your ongoing job. And tar pray, তেওঁলোকৰ পৰাই আমি information পাই থাকিম if any plan is being floated কৰবাত আৰু কিবা এটা কৰিব লাগে নেকি, and initial ৰেজতে আমি তাক neutralize কৰিব পাৰিম। মই দুটা কথাৰে সামৰণি মাৰিম। এটা হ'ল professional investigation। এইবাৰ আমি অসম পুলিচৰ 400 পুলিচ অফিচাৰ আমি ন্যাশনাল ফৰেনসিক সায়েন্স ইউনিভাৰ্সিটি ট্ৰেইন কৰিবৰ কাৰণে পঠাইছো। I am sure that Home Department will also create the post of crime scene officer soon. We are in that process that আমি crime scene officer আমি deploy কৰিম। Utilizing forensic, আপোনালোকে সকলোতে চাব, in Borpeta district, all POCSO cases get failed because the witness become hostile. SP Borpeta can later on share the fact that কোনো কেসে আমি conviction লব নোৱাৰো, all পিছত পইচা পাতি লৈ basically that because of the social pressure in a particular community আমি POCSO কেসত logical conclusion লৈ যাব নোৱাৰো। Witness getting hostile because of influences আমাৰ এইবিলাক বাঢ়ি গৈ আছে। So সেইকাৰণে ইনভেষ্টিগেশ্যনক আমি এনেকুৱা এটা পৰ্যায়ত লৈ যাব লাগিব that the role of human is very minimal. It is all scientific. যদি ফৰেনসিক আমি খুব ভাল কৰি কৰিব পাৰো, আমি ফিংগাৰপ্ৰিন্ট, নাফিস, এই গোটেই টেকনলজি বিলাক যদি আমি খুব ভাল কৰি ইউটিলাইজ কৰিব পাৰো, then আমি কনভিকশন পামেই। আজি যেতিয়া এটা again in Golaghat case, accused has led in getting it that weapon recovery. Amar SK help বুলি কৈছে, it is not help. কোনবা নামৰ টুইটাৰ কোনবা statement দেখিছে যে accused মোক help কৰিছে crime weapon to recovery কৰাৰ কাৰণে। It is not that. Evidence act words are very clearly mentioned that leading to recovery. So once leading to recovery হৈ গল, তাৰ পিছত যদি আমি forensic report টাইমত পাই গলো যে doubt তাৰে fingerprints আছে, then we don't need to go কাষৰ ওচৰ চুবুৰীয়া কি কলে, পান দোকানীয়ে কি কলে, these are just a supplementary evidence. যে আহিলে কোনো উকিলাৰ এটো নুখুধে তেওঁ খুমুৱা দেখিছিল নে, খঙত খুমুৱা দেখিছিল নে, হাঁহি খুমুৱা দেখিছিল, all these typical Hindi cinemat আমি যিবিলাক পাওঁ, very দৰকাৰ নাই that person has lived in recovery, and while recovery we seize the forensic and his fingerprints are available in the doubt cases. And তার পিছত কি কেস থাকে আমি যদি in rape case আমি চাওঁ, if we see DNA presence in the lady's body, and তার পিছত আর কি কেস থাকে, there is no case available. So again, over a period, last 2 years, another success of our officers that we are trying to rope in the best institute to help us in investigation. Today, National Forensic Science University is with us. We have appointed Mr. Keshav Kumar to advise us on forensics. Then we are also tied in advanced level of discussion with Rashtriya Raksha University, RRU, and Hyderabad from the National Fingerprint Institution has already signed MOU with us. So technology যেতিয়া আমি deploy করি investigation will take shorter time আৰু hostile witnessৰ লগত আমাৰ কোনো সম্বন্ধ নাথাকিব সো সেই কাৰণে মই ভাবো যে এই যে 400 লৰা ঘূৰি আহিব we should make them crime scene officer they প্ৰত্যেকটো থানাৰ লগত এজন crime scene officer থাকিব he will assess it from forensic point of view we will get forensic evidence or forensic evidence or pisot amak conviction kuneo rakhabu নোৱাৰে because scientific evidence to dispute. Second, we have to done series of training program with government PPP and APP because they are also accustomed with grilling a witness from historical way of grilling. Scientific evidence or pointer pra grill kora karone amar PPP APP সকলো বহুত বেছি অভ্যস্ত নহয় because this is a new trend in Assam. So CID should also take our Matiana Dindar, but CID should visit district APP PPP hokolor logot Sunday Saturday training kori we should empower them that look this is now time for scientific investigation etia amar traditional investigation or samoy nohobo ba ami nwari gotike ami immediately koribo lage etia pokso case eta ami dhoru if we can find out some DNA presence then it is very easy to get conviction ei gutei kotha bilak korbat hara hasti ami napabo paru but if it is resulted in rape then DNA presence should be there kapurok pabo kobat pabo so ei dibilak scientific investigation or report session aru India's best expert hokolok mati anar khetrot ami toka poisar chinta koribo na lage when crime conference happen every month in DG conference some or other some special lectures should be organized by the top level scientific expert karon ami scientific investigation or uporot ataitko besi importance dibo lagibo I would also like to see that Home Department constitute a committee jot director forensic science aru DGP and chief secretary home secretary they sit monthly take stock of the pending forensic reports because our maximum problem is forensic report not coming on time but now the principal secretary home has given us a very good news that Silchar Bongaigaon and Dibrugarh 6 regional forensic science laboratory ami bhabisilu 3 is already commissioned তেওঁলোকৰ আজি দিনত নহব পাৰে বহুত বেছি scientific analysis কৰা but something has been set up গটিকে police should patronize those institute কিবা যদি অফিসাৰ সকলৰ অসুবিধা আছে কিবা আছে director forensic science আকৌ এটা ডাইৰেক্টৰেট হয় তাৰ পৰা হুমত যাব small issue এই সৰু মেচিন to হলে আমি এইটো টেস্ট কৰিব পাৰো so you can flag that to us সেইটো চ্যানেল দি গৈ সায়েন্টিস্ট সকলে খবৰ দি equipment আনতে it will take 2 years but if SP give the information of DGP Jayapur Bongaigaon lab sir এই equipment to ahi gole I can do that I will get the result faster so SP should frequently visit as a guest to this regional forensic science laboratories wherever deficiency you notice you should keep us informing us moyo next visit ketate tinita station ote jam aru moi encourage koru je ebar jeti ami yate asu CS and principal secretary who should visit the Bongaigaon regional center see what is the problem there how much case they are doing but jate etu eta boga hatir porinoto nohoy we must keep them engaging aru moi SPs of Borakbeli district aru Upper Assam district aru Lower Assam district hokolok moi request kori je koru heroine hoyle nohoy that I am sure that Bongaigaon Silchar and Dibrugarh will be able to give us report And if you see that there is any legal deficiency, some more notification is required, we are there, but as a collective effort, ami ei gutei kam bilak ami koribo lagibo. Finally, I would like to conclude by saying that for long, Assam has been there with the tag of a disturbed area state. We have now to 8 districts. 8 and a half? Now 8. 7 and a half? Now I think the 5, Dibrugarh, Sibsagar, Saraidew, Jorhat, Golaghat is there. Golaghat, Karbi Anglong, and Sindh. So all SPs, now time that apnaluke nijor mind make up koro, whether we need that, whether we now army has done enough for Assam, but whether we need their presence further. Moi bhabu je amar jodi central government or sister organization logot jodi amar, if we have a better coordination, that Assam may not need Armed Force Special Power Act or Disturbed Area Act. I mean, we have reduced our job reduced korilu tarpora ami last 1 year we have not got any negative feedbacks. So, but I don't want to say this, it is up to you, but you must reconsider that whether Golaghat will require, whether Karbi Anglong will require, when DNLA was active probably required that. Now, I don't think that we require that. So, lahe, if we say no, only if you keep it in Sudhya, we are fine. So, let us take next step. Ito noha je abosorte sob koribo lage, but we must fix up a roadmap that ami jate Disturbed Area Actor pra ami lahe ulai jabo paru. Assam Police etiao ami bahut private individualok ami PSU DSU. Moi headquarter request korim ar bahut mane amak digdaru kore je amak PSU lage. So can we create a force where the deployment of will be cost to cost basis? Kuno 40,000 toka nohoy, ejon joane ji dormaha pai, ji pensionary benefit pai, ji NPS dibo lage. Can we think of developing 1,000, because employment will also come, that we will create a force that individual people can come and take PSUs in a completely cost to cost basis, and that has to be professional. Those people are not ami kuba purana homeguard ami heli dilu ami dhori dilu, that these people, because if we are charging somebody, he has to be look like commander. If somebody give us 1 lakh rupees for deployment, then he will also deserve, he will also wants to see that my thing is lean, clean, proper, and then pothai dilu goi pelai itu nohobo. So that I think you should think of. Finally, eta angle ami soa nai, BDP and Home Guard. Assam Police bahut reform hol, police change also hol, Home Guards have not changed. Sob ghotonar mulote amar muk jetia police bilake keteba koru police okorer loge moi kotha pato, tetia tealuke koi many people deployed a strategy that kiya beya kam kole Home Guard to pothai, because Home Guard to samahak sakori nai ar kamur por kheti dile they get engaged in Dibrugarh. Internal assessment থাকে তাতে গৈ লইলে so Home Guard is in many cases, not in all cases, আমি present Home Guard stock to আমি এবাৰ নতুন কৈ সোৱাৰ প্ৰয়োজনীয়তা আছে, কাৰণ থানা বিলাকত they remain present. আমাৰ নতুন যেটো পুলিচৰ ইমেজ, সেই পুলিচৰ ইমেজ বিলাকৰ লগত আমাৰ যেটো Home Guard বৰ্তমান আমাৰ আছে, সেইখিনিৰ বৰ্তমান যিখিনি আমাৰ নিউ এজ পুলিচিংৰ লগত তেওঁলোকৰ প্ৰয়োজনীয়তা, তেওঁলোকক কিমানক আমি বাৰে বাৰে লৈ থাকিব লাগে, ডিজি হোম গাৰ্ড আৰু অসম পুলিচৰ মাজত there must be some talking on that. Can we need to, after paying 23,000, we need to remodernize the Institute of Home Guard also. So এই ক্ষেত্ৰত মই ভাবো যে নেক্সট ফিউ ডেজ আমাৰ এসপি সকলে প্ৰেজেন্ট যিবিলাক হোমগাৰ্ড আপোনালোকৰ তাত ডিপ্লয় হৈ থাকে তাৰ কোৱালিটি you should see, and if you feel that some quality is not good, you must write to the DG that please do not deploy us these people. This is a voluntary service. Karo claim nai je moi ahiboi lagib. But this is one area which is still giving negative MAS to the Thana. So hekane moi hokoluke konai jot you feel, because we are also taking some policy to induct some fresh blood into the homeguard. Aru ei homeguard hokolor khetrot ji purana homeguard asile tar age ki ase 60 years hoar pisoto bohude kaam kori ase, nobody look at their age, তেওঁলোকৰ background কি আছে এই ক্ষেত্ৰত সরকার জিকে জন ভাল, we must encourage them, and if there is some deathhood, then we must get rid of them. Similarly, VDP. Ami dekhisu je VDP is very important tool for Assam Police. VDP Act khon amend kora khetroto moi dergaon koisilu how we can make VDP a lively organization. Aru VDP jitu karyakal, it should not be more than 2 years in any way. Kan youth club bilakor jibilak lora gaon develop hoy, they will serve VDP and then they will proceed to the next level. Jodi VDP o eta sakori hoi jay, then you will not get any good. So we must transform the VDP for those who wants to serve the society in their prime youth for 2 years or 3 years, not beyond that. Kan tetia ami notun lora uliyai thikibo pari. So a large scale relook of our VDP Act is very important, aru ei khetrot apnaloke kaam koribo boli moi asha korisu. Ami notun koi citizen committee bilak thanat ami constitute korisu. How many of you has got the notification? Can you raise your hand? Nagarik Samiti. Okay. Now thana 2-3 committee na thake, there is one Nagarik committee. Aru okonman etu sabo je homor pra ulwa notification district goi pote because 4 has raised the hand out of 34-36. So etu kiyo hoise Niraj Barma should look at it, aru parile kali gute notification or bunch to yat hokoluke di diyo group of, but iman bunch to WhatsApp download koribo nwaribo. So district wise bring it and make a copy circulate. আপোনালোকে গৈ পেলাই reconstituted নাগৰিক কমিটি কেইখনৰ লগত মিটিং কৰক, because আমি এবাৰ কেইটামান ফাণ্ডৰ ব্যৱস্থা কৰিছো. The president of Nagarik Samiti will get 5,000 per month. Now budget provision has to be there, and budget to headquarter pra jabo ne homor pra jabo, we need to sort it out. 16 September amar ase hokolu thana committee chairman teoluke amar kotha to hol teoluke citizen centric activities ebar teoluke they will be able to exercise power. যে passport time on hoi golne na je teoluke manujon amar jibilak verification complete hoi golne na. We are trying to create a statutory roadmap for Nagarik Samiti for non criminal part. Jot citizen centric police or kaam thake tat OC hokolor oporot comment likhi SP Nagarik Committee dibo, Nagarik Committee jeti SCR likhe, SP jeti OC report SCR likhibo, the comment of the president will be taken into consideration. More long term reform ase aji ami kora nai. Thana duta part thake, thana eta part thake hardcore criminal investigation, war against militant, war against drug. Tat Nagarik Committee kono kotha nai. Kintu thanar jeto soft work manner, helping somebody rati kabak bhorile, how to accommodate them, purba batsa kami palu, how they will be transferred to the nearby sideline. এই যিবিলাক নন সিটিজেন সেন্ট্রিক কাম আছে এই সিটিজেন সেন্ট্রিক কাম বিলাকত আমি এটা নাও we want to involve citizen because Assam police cannot remain in silos. We have to work with the people. আমি মানুহৰ পৰা দূৰত থাকি আমি এটা ফোর্স এটা হ'ব নোৱাৰো. We have to live with the people. So SP সকলে যেতিয়া থানা ইনস্পেকশনত যায়, try to develop a rapport with the president of the Nagorik committee. কিন্তু দুই এটা আগত আছিল দুই এটা নাগৰিক কমিটি মানে FIR লিখা দালাল হৈছে. So we don't want that. We want to create that value. The Nagorik committee বুলি কলে তেওঁলোকে যাতে they get respect they deserve. আৰু respect কোনে পাব যদি commensurate appointment হয়. গতিকে এতিয়াও আমি যাক যাক এপইন্টমেন্ট কৰিছো you can always give your comment যে স্যার মোৰ প্ৰেসিডেন্টজন ভাল নহল বা মোৰ মেম্বাৰটো ভাল নহল that you can always talk to us. কিন্তু লাহে লাহে আমি নাগৰিক কমিটি খেলি অলপমান স্ট্যাটুটৰি অথৰিটিৰ ফালে আমি লৈ গৈ থাকি ইনে বিট বাই বিট এই কথাখিনিৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত আপোনালোকে এইবাৰো যিখিনি নাগৰিক কমিটি আমি কৰিছো তাত SPA কি কৰিব পাৰিব DCA নমিনি কৰিব পাৰিব all these are there কাল উইথ all SOP আপুনি দিব যাতে কেইজনমান মেম্বাৰ SPO দিব গুটেখিনি we can constitute আৰু next এক মাহত আমি যাতে নাগৰিক কমিটি খিনি মিটিং খিনি কৰি ল'ব পাৰো আৰু তেওঁলোকক আমি the importance they deserve দিব পাৰো আৰু তেওঁলোকক দৰমহাটো কেনেকৈ আমি দিব পাৰো সেই বিষয়ে আপোনালোকে police headquarter and home department should discuss and ami eta jate system of তেওঁলোকক আনিব পাৰো বহুত কেজন SP মই ৰিকুৱেষ্ট কৰিম যে মই এটো কেতিয়াও নিবিচাৰো যে বেংগলোৰত যেতিয়া আমাৰ পুলিচ যায় we take money from the party কাৰণ তেতিয়া দুখীয়া মানুহে আপোনালোকে যদি কৈ দিয়ে যে মই ছোৱালীজনী কানিব যাওঁতে you have to pay me 10,000 rupees. That is the end of the story. So we gave money to the Thana. We gave money to the SPs. But these resources has to be shared for the benefit of the poor. Plus, আপোনালোকে এনেকুৱা কথা হলে you call here না যে মোৰ হাতত এনেকুৱা এটা কেছ আছে মোৰ পাৰ্টি এটা বেংগলোৰ পঠাব লাগে you give me some money but please do not take money from the party that gives a very very poor image মোৰ গাড়ী তেল নাই গতিকে মই তুমি তেলটো ভৰাই দিলে মই যাম এটা তেল আছে নাই আমিটো গভৰ্ণমেণ্টক যিটো দিব লাগে দি আছো লাগিলে কোনোবা ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি বেছি কৰি দিম কিন্তু these are unverifiable fact DGP को ফোন কৰিলে DGP কলে স্যার মোৰ লগত পইচা নাছিলে মই কি কৰো so সেইটো way out once we decided to stop fund from the party we have to stop and সেইটো একেবাৰে মানে I don't want to use a word but these can be the most worst reflection of a state তাতকৈ আৰু ষ্টেট এখনৰ বাবে ওয়ার্স রিফ্লেকশন হবই নোৱাৰে পুলিশত মানে সব জায়গাতে কিবা এটা কৰিলে মুখ তেলটো ভৰাই দিব লাগিব কোনো টকা গভৰ্ণমেণ্টৰ সেভ নহয় আননেসেসাৰি মানুহজনে দে গেট ডিসকারেজ গতিকে এই ক্ষেত্ৰত আপোনালোকক যদি কিবা আমি ফাৰ্দাৰ ষ্ট্ৰীমলাইন কৰিব লাগে ইউ এডভাইজ আস দুখীয়া মানুহৰ ছোৱালী এজনী পলাই গৈছে নাবালিকা হয় 14 বছৰীয়া হয় তাইক আমি মহাৰাষ্ট্ৰৰ পানিব লাগে যদি মানুহজনীক আমি 10,000 টকা খুজি দিও প্লেনৰ টিকট খুজি দিও তাই ক'ৰ পাব তো সম্ভৱ নহয় গতিকে পাৰ্টিৰ পৰা টকা লোৱা আৰু নিজৰ আনএকাউন্টেড মানি পিছত কোনে কা হিচাপ দিয়ে so government officer cannot take any amount unless it is goes to the civil deposit of the state this is the primary financial system অকল পাৰ্টিৰ পৰা পইচা লোৱা বুলি ক্ৰাইম টুডে one OC can lose their job কাৰণ কোনো কথাতে কতো লিখা নাই যে OC can take money from a party without authority of law but over the period আমাৰো deficiency আছিল I must admit that মই যদি কাবাক গ্ৰুপ দিও নিজৰ গ্ৰুপ নলওঁ আমিও পুলিচৰ এই ৰিকোয়াৰমেন্টবোৰ কেতিয়াও ডিসকাস কৰা নাছিল so you are feel free to discuss this requirement কিন্তু আমি পাৰ্টিৰ পৰা পইচা লোৱাটো we must stop it আৰু সেইটো আমি একদম এনকাৰেজ কৰিব নালাগে in a given case যদি ফান্ড নাথাকে you call Hirenda you call DGP will organize it quickly আৰু কিবা যদি এনেকুৱা ফান্ড এটা DGP ডিসপোজালত আমি থৈ দিব লাগে যে বছৰ আৰম্ভণিতে we need to put the 2 crores or 3 crores or 5 crores in the DGP we will be very happy to do that and then আপোনালোকে DGP phone কৰিব DGP will be immediately releasing the amount he will submit the account but আপোনালোকে নিজৰ ভিতৰত চিন্তা কৰক and this is happening আৰু সেই বস্তুটো আমি কুইকলি বন্ধ কৰিব লাগে কাৰণ পাৰ্টিৰ পৰা পইচা লোৱাটো এটো একেবাৰে একসেপ্টেবল নহয় we must stop it so মই কেবাটাও পইণ্ট ৰেজ কৰিলো আৰু এই গুটেই কেটা পইণ্ট মই আগতে কৈছো যে this should not be take as a casting aspiration because we have a legacy for par kori amote it will take 2026 by 2026 we need to achieve certain goal আজি ভ্যাকেন্সি আছে আমি ভ্যাকেন্সি ফিল আপ কৰিলো promotion নহলে যে ভ্যাকেন্সি বিলাক অ্যাসেম্বলি উত্তৰ দিতে মই যোৱাবাৰ ভাবিলো যে হাৰমিটৰ বুজিলো যে হাৰমিট আছে ভ্যাকেন্সি নাই বিলা সানা আকে অ্যাসেম্বলি উত্তৰ আহিল 3000 ভ্যাকেন্সি তেতিয়া গম পালো যে নহয় ইয়াৰ লগত প্ৰমোশনৰ এটা লিংক আছে unless we give promotion so some